This is Project Black Panther, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Black Panther is finished in eggshell Santorini black with black accents all round. Black Panther sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage, 5 slim Hella mini light bars up front, 2 at the rear, a Kahn wide body kit, a Defender A-bar nudge bumper and all black steering guard. Inside, Black Panther features a Momo Quark steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, custom orange details, 2 Corvo Trailcat front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in vertical diamond Garrett Cadence licorice leather, stitched together in black. This 110 is powered by our LS3 Plus 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. It also features an array of modern elements such as Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. The 565 horsepower engine is a firm favourite here at E.C.D, providing superb performance while still somehow being in keeping with the everyday practicality a Defender offers.